Marcia, we not afraid of nobody. Just try something, do something, do something. Call your police friend at Jamaica and make him try something, do something. We not afraid of nobody. What's up, speak my mind, people? What's up? Give thanks and praise to life. A new week has start. You know? I'm so glad that I wait this morning and see them free up the video with T girl. Cause right now Curly TT is sick my stomach. I'm tired for the video with her. You understand? And one I think when I eat if I do a 3-4 video like my back and front with nobody where no really have no recognition. You understand? Because we should not count them enough, but we just have to continue to expose them. You understand? So speak my mind, people. Just continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up. Please to watch the ads. And remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Link pin in the comment section and it is in the description. Just hit on the link. When the link open, you just subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Family oriented channel. Alright, my people. I'm going to show you why I have come out. I've get a heads up about this video that Marcy have done sometime last week. But the whole weekend it kind of busy for me and thing and really as me tell you now and thing, you know. So I go so boom and I decide say alright. Last night or this morning I get up and I have to search this video. So I get up and I search the video and I did find the video. Where as me tell you now, this nasty slime here. We're coming like when you boil okra. That's so she slimy. You understand? Where only can show the top part of her with a whole heap of makeup and cosmetic things and cheap clothes them. But what day when I see her toe them exposed, the best thing pan her is the little polish of on her toe. Her toe them favor ginger. And for somebody who love come body shame and criticize people. And to look how nice, look how pretty, look how this, look how that. Yeah, you know, show up here so your makeup. And the little clothes them you put on, cheap and clean clothes them you put on. But as me talk already in a video, I don't want to see you naked. Because I would have a heart attack. Me I tell you, not to mention your skeleton. You can't hide the belly, everybody see the belly. But them the two the way you have a favor ginger, we dig out the ground freshly and they even wash off it if it look like something lookable. You're not supposed to come out the road about the shame and criticize people. Because as me tell you, say, God no make none of it perfect. So if you find fault with each or the old lady, you have your fault. And your fault to show all over. Because you're born ugly. You're born with your eye, them come, you're coming like a hog. From me, I go them say hog can't look up in the sky. So you know the reason why? Because him eye them not there in front time, him eye the sideways and that's how you look. To how you look and born as invalid, that's how you eye them the sideways you. You understand? You're born with that double compartment stomach. But you see that you come out across other people with the same type of stomach or better stomach than you. What do you when me see the condition of how you're told them look for your woman, we say you're a big deal and you're sexy, me think it is more refined than that. Because them the two they look like a female toe. Them the two they look like some old man toe. And when I say man toe, I don't mean no man who take care of themselves neither. Or have any time to take care of themselves. Probably some of them farmers they were down the country, we just living in the woods. All them do is just produce, you come feed, produce them don't know outside of farming and them farm ground. Because they so them dedicate them life to. I saw you told them look master. People, you should come out in the video because the person give me the thumbs up and said she a call like she get me in a song about my Molest daughter. My daughters. I say you don't know me from nowhere. And as you always come in a phone, I say people don't know you from nowhere, but them come and chat. You don't know nothing about me. If me never come and say me have 2 daughters, you wouldn't know. If me never come and say my mother there in England, you wouldn't know that. So you can't take nothing of this or cuss me master because you don't know nothing about me and my family. Because me now put up my family in a phone. Alright? People, before me go in any dissecting of the video, I go and show you something. I say I go and show you. My mother there in England less time than you. where you're the America. You understand? Because you're the America for 40 odd years and you don't even have a pin or a anchor. You understand? You don't have no way when time you retire or sickness take you can say yes. I'm going to show you. My mother there in England less time than you. My mother no need for go sell front. She passed at the stage if she never sell it in her young days. I know she go sell it. People, just hold on. Look, master, I'll show you from back to front. Look. Look, master, look. See it? Look, master, look. Look. Look, master. Look, just look along the line, master. Look along the line. Look, master. You see? Look, master. Look. I hope you are seeing, master. You see? Money well spent. Look. And look. Steel project to go up. Look, master, look. See it, master? Look on kitchen, master. Look. Look, master. Look one big king size, master. Look, master. May I give you a heads up, master. See it, master, look. Look, master. The room we're not done yet. Alright, master. Look. See? Look, master. Look how big kitchen is, master. Look. Look. Alright, I'm glad you see. Alright? Look on them at hear things them, master. Solid. So, master, that's a view. And people, so more wanna listen. This is why my mother not have to do what you say she fi do. And you fi do that. Her short time in England, she make use of it. And me and our daughter make sure everything is okay. And you see it? Big old empty house, nobody no in there. You see it? Guest room. Self-contained room. You understand? Yeah. So, when you talk good. You can't talk to people where there's somewhere and have something and you don't have nothing. So people, you don't listen to the master.
Down a Broadway, down a Ealing Broadway. When people go tell them I'm England, to go sell for your pussy, down a Ealing Broadway. On train station, they right at Ealing Broadway. Right across the street from Spencer. The Brazilian place and the close place to sell uniform. So when you have to go sell pussy, but you must sell your pussy too.
Well, your mother used to do that. That's why you end up with about 3 fathers and 3 different names. And it's like none still never own you. So you have to get adopted. You understand? Because none of the 3 fathers coming at them still never own you. Whether Taylor, Failer, the Campbell or whatsoever, none of them never own you. You understand? So it come like that your mother used to do. And as I say, I come in a phone for this. But just because this was brought to my knowledge, I figure more or less I need to answer you. You understand? Because I never get your family or nobody involved in any video that I do for you. But as I said, when the pressure take on you run out of the kitchen, you eat below the belt. Well, I right somebody this year eat below the belt.
Don't eat in Broadway. Don't London. London, I live right? Alright.
You don't know nothing about my mother. If me never come and tell you say my mother live in England, you don't know nothing. So me never know say London alone there England. You know Birmingham, look how much other place you have. Brixton, look how much place you have. But what? You just around it with me say. You understand? So me tell you say my mother the government, a part of the government of Australia, you come run with that too. Or probably you say no sir, me not have that credential there. Look at you.
Yeah. So let's see how let's see how which pussy sell the most amount of money. And guess who can take the biggest, the nicest back shot and the foot pan shoulder. If a foot can stay the longest.
But Marcia, as I tell you, my mother is far older than you. My mother is far older than you. And the reason why you might can't have no man and keep no man is, as I tell you in previous video, all the way you come and boast about there is no evidence. You understand? And me not feel like you have a vagina. You don't have no tummy. You have one big old spot. You know, like when I draw one spot on the wall, so yeah. It's a spot you have. You don't have nothing named tummy, pony, or vagina. And this is the main reason why no man not stay with you. It's not your miserableness why no man not stay with you. You're hard to look upon when you wake up a morning time. So no man no want wake up a morning time with you in a bed, Marcia. Because when him see you, your makeup and your little glasses and your hair and thing, that kind of hide your looks. You understand? But to wake up with your morning time is a sight to see. It come like when you go on Mandela Highway in the 6:30, 7 o'clock and you see out there full of traffic and you say, Jesus, please. Yeah. I saw you look disastrous when you wake at morning time. So no man no want to wake to see a morning time. And that's why the two little man they come. Because a free something them I get fired. Them not contribute nothing. Them not have to pay a hotel fee because them come same place a year yard. You understand? So if you release a aisle, them will come do it. Because it not cost them nothing. But at the same time, that's why them have to get up so early a morning time and come out. Because them don't want to see you. Because the same person with them see at daytime that this whole for makeup and goggles and hair and, half put together, because well put together, half put together. It's a different person them see when them wake up at morning time. So for you trick them the first morning, them don't want to see a second morning. So before daylight, them gone. And you come and talk about them have to go to work. Let's so go work them out. You work your out long time because I say you don't have nothing to take that something that God bring you come here to do.
Let's see.
So you upstairs you have to use.
Let's see.
Every time you eat one little $20 or $30 something, you have to come for your life. I show you eat one little crab leg, you have to come and show. That's all. That's how your life stop. Right, that's how your life stop.
That's where the party is at. That's fair?
Your life now move no further. And this is why your house full of so much roach. Because every time you come, you buy anything to eat, you come, you sit down right there so. And you yam. Now care drop out of your mouth when you chat because food ever fly out of your mouth. You understand? And all of the food them drop on your clothes, you brush them off. And never one day see after you brush them off and you done eat, you get up and you take a broom and you sweep. Me never ever see that. Me see you get up, you go for water, you go for juice, you come back, come sit down, and you never one day take a broom and sweep out right there so. With how much food you brush off of you and brush off of your mouth and we fly out of your mouth. That a crab leg, you sit down in a house, you don't have a proper veranda settings or outside settings where you could have go sit down and eat your crab and do your life like come in my yard now. The middle of my yard where you can turn to any different direction in the background and do a video. You have to in your house and eat a crab. Crab? And at the same time you brush everything off a ground and all bout off of your mouth and we fly out of your mouth and you don't take a broom and sweep that out. Then that's why your place full of so much roach. That's why your place roachy, you know.
Be real. The people where you see up here about here not real. That's where you see most of them dirty laundry come out 1 by 1 and 2 by 2. Them not real. If you check them criteria right now, you see many of them get arrested. You see many of them was a drugs dealer. If you check all the boy in Jamaica still in their car, him probably all kill somebody already. Him probably all rape off 2 pitney already. Him probably all molest 2 school girl already. But true nobody now see. And him still in their car and act like he innocent. Because looking at that man how him behavior, him is behaving very arrogant. Him look like somebody will take no for answer. Him look like him trick little girl pitney as much sexual molestation. Him probably is a molestation right so.
Before I go no further, Marcia, me no do little pitney. Me no do pitney. My woman have to be big woman. As a matter of fact, not even the little 20s and 20 odd year old, them never like see me. Because them want man who draw pants, them want man who scratch out and miggle, or dig out weed, them want man who sip from cup. And me not another type there. So me not attracted to them none at all. So not even 20 a year much as underage. When me a drive bus Marcia, school girl afraid to come sit down on the front seat. Cause my face ever skin up. Ever skin up. Cause me a want facey boy. And you show me no school girl stay. Me just not deal with school girl, make sure my face ever skin up so them can't friend me. So when you go talk about young girl and little girl, me not do them the something them answer. Big woman, me deal with. Big woman. You understand? Big woman. The last two big woman me deal with, one of 55 and one of 56. You understand? Me might have little dealings with like 30 and up, but me not deal with 20 down, 30 down. So when you come talk, come better than that. Reach to your point now when me want to take your hand pan.
Because the mentality of Jamaican man, I mean, look at him behavior, how him cuss me. Look at the way him sit down and deliberate things and take things and put in their own twisted mind. Man like them, they can't trust around.
Yeah, man. Me deliberate well. And that's how we are burn you. And that's how we are shake your nerves. Because you can't believe, say, when you sit down and watch all my video and me a deliberate. Sit down and watch a video and me a deliberate, you know, it a hit you, you know. It a hit you, you know, because it's like, yes, me a touching nerves. Because when me a say exactly goes as way how I'm saying it.
Girl, Britney. You don't even know if my feel up in one little girl in the house.
Marcia, you talk about my arrogance and my arrogance can lead me to be this. And me might talk, you don't know if me a feel up my little girl in my house. Marcia, me no short a woman. I retire them things there. Because me I get old. See me I do me inner. Me used to have all 5, 6 women a come here. One by one. As one left, one come in my younger days. Me no short a front. The time me I go look for my daughter. And the arrogance what you talk about. Come tell the people them say probably the arrogance what your son have are because he was molested back in the days. Why him grow so arrogant, and that's the reason why you know people with arrogance behave the way that you are saying me might be behaving. Because you have natural evidence of it that your own birthright. For his arrogance that him have. You understand? He were molested. And allegedly I heard it on social media. That he were molested by a man. Your birthright. But not mix me and him. Because we are two different persons. Alright? So, get your facts straight, Marcia. Don't come search your content and lick below the belt because of the wrong person this year come with. You understand? Wrong person this. Because when you do that, me now come fabricate no story, you know. But me will get more deeper in discriminating you. You understand? Yeah. And it will get more dragged out. And that me no want. Because I say me not there as a family and picnic. Talk to me. Me I talk to you, talk to me. Alright? Yeah.
Because me not think no woman want him. So when you sit down on social media and I...
Marcia, I'm going to show you something. Right now, no woman no want a man more than so. See what them want, yeah? This is what them want, Marcia. No woman no want a man more than so. But you see, if you have this, I be a new money them in Marcia. Jamaica new money, look like Canadian. This is a 5,000. Alright, yeah. 100. This is $1,000. See there, Marcia? Yeah. So, woman really want a man right now. At this them want. So for you have this, you will get woman. And if a satisfaction you want, this will give it to you. Because if I even forgot a rip on road, back road, all about, you will get satisfaction. You understand? So, for you have your cash, woman are the least. Because me don't want to demand them, I sit down and wait for woman mind me. So, me have to go hope that one come along my way. You understand? And as me say, me have done my time. So, me not run down woman like that, Marcia.
take up for man. Some of them man there's molester. Some of them same boy they like speak your mind. And molester him. Rape off young girl. Probably in them life. Hold down young girl and take him a drive. Remember young girl love ride and love car. Them love to trick young girl and sex off like a school girl. Don't trust them woman blood clot.
Marcia, I'm going to give you a number for the police department for sexual harassment. Its name Sisoka. The number is 901 584 6819. Call that number, Marcia. It's the arm of sexual harassment. You understand, of the police force. It's Sisoka. Call a number there and report me, Marcia.
So you see them sit down on social media and uno said one sit down here and a support pedophile. Man like him look at him characteristic. A man like that we behave like that we force a young girl and take his virginity, you know. Look.
No, Marcia. I come across, well, young girls, but of age, not underage. Young girls, back in my time, as I said it in more than about 2 videos I've done, say I've never taken a virginity. Since when I say, my woman left me, you say one, and me I come and say, me not own a woman because me never take a virginity yet. And now when you take a woman virginity, you still not own her. But I'm trying to explain that every woman me talk to was another woman before, because me never get her as a virgin. So me I go expect to lose her same way. A man don't expect to lose woman. End up beat woman and, you know, do all kind of things to woman when she decide to move on with her life. But same like how you get her and it was a next man woman, expect to lose her same way. Sometimes might look harder, sometimes might the same way, sometimes might even easier. The next man they come along now for do nothing. And as me say, I come across 2 virgin, not underage, woman of age, of the age of consent, and I make the 2 attempt. And when I make the 2 attempt, I never try make another attempt because me not have them the precious time they waste. So me don't need no virgin.
On him. Me a spiritual woman. He can't come sue me because him the name speak your mind. Because me don't know him name. Me don't know him full name, but I'm going to find out because I am going to file harassment charges for him at Jamaica. Me called my police friend last night and my police friend said yes. We'll file it on him. Me called my police friend and come back 4 o'clock this morning and call me back. I'm in asleep. He said file it on him.
If him a look, man, you lie at tell, but you call police friend. You always have friends, the here, there, and everywhere in high places with your lie self. Me say if the phone them could have explode upon someone when you not tell the lie, see, man. Them for start make the phone them anti-liared. Yeah, with them allergic to lie. So when you come on the phone and tell lie, them just explode upon you.
So anybody know which part the boy they come from and the name, send the name, come give me. Because he's harassing me on social media. Him is a social media bully, make him come talk. I don't know him name. Him right name. Give me your right name, let me take it down to the Kingston police station.
No, you don't need to take it to Kingston police station. Kingston is big. I'm going to tell you where to take it. Is either you're going to take it to the commissioner's office or you're going to take it to the Huntsby police station. So you can call it St. Andrew South Division. Right? The St. Andrew South Division. Alright? Yeah.
Make a sad mistake. Yeah, but this is not joke for me no more. You can't come on social media and make me turn the rat and a beef so and come on social media to go pick on somebody else.
Oh, so true AD strong. You know, make AD turn in a rat. Okay. Oh. I recognize AD and I recognize you. But I'm glad how you recognize me for a big deal. Because you're a big deal, you know. So with you recognizing me, that's a pop for me. You understand? So that's why I turn in a rod. Coupon you.
Your dirty blood clot sit on your car. Nobody know is because based on how you behave, me know say you feel of some girl pitney in your community.
If me feel up, girl pitting in my community, you know. A big people them. And never me. Make man feel up your birthright. You understand? And never me. Make man touch up your belly pain. And never me. Tell man figure touch up your belly pain. And never make woman touch him up. You understand? Yeah.
Especially you drive one car. Me know say some free pussy you get from some young girl about the place where you give money to. You can't.
You saw them fool? Me know so some free you get from some girl where you give money to. So how free and me give money come in now? If it's free, how me give money? Now pay for it? Come on, my people, no help me, no man. Come in, man. No help me. No can't help me, man. No afraid of help me. If me get it free, how me pay for it? How me give money for it? That's me not pay for it, so me not get it free. Content. Content? Content. Searching like Google? Content.
And chat to me because me a spiritual person, me a pick up your vibes. And you are the person somebody sit down and watch you. If you come in here, you're a dirty boy.
You're a spiritual person and you never see from a long time, say if you put off a gala kite now go work out. Say your spirit did cross and never work when you just go promote it. You say 7 months now you are promoted. During the first 2, 3, 4 months, when all the way are going, for a spiritual person, you never see say if you put it off. You never see say it never did go work out. You never see say the man did go touch your birthright. You never see say the man did go touch your belly pain. Oh. I own a certain thing is spiritual too. People business and other people. Your spiritual gift for you have no work within you and your family. Okay. And your business. Okay.
You is a dirty boy. Me, my blood clot 10 right as you sit down yourself. Your sex and people girl beat me without them permission. Because I saw who the man Montana, Jamaica, impression have a little care and give them a little change. Move your blood clot self.
You hear her? Every time she come in her phone, she debate Jamaica, third world, Jamaica, third world. So, man no sex off, woman without them consent anywhere else. I just Jamaica. And people like Uno stay foreign and bring down Jamaica, you know. Yeah man, people like Uno stay foreign and set negativity and set bad example and send out and feed bad energy towards Jamaica. But Uno as Jamaican, Uno gonna live to see Jamaica. And when you reach certain age, America and retire, Uno gonna live to see yourself on a plane coming back to Jamaica. But make sure not evening tide home arms house or father all along or food for the poor. Or none of the missionary Catholic place them Uno gonna end up. Make sure now somewhere Uno gonna end up. And all like you. We never lay no foundation. Because you throw stone behind you long time. Your heart hard up because as Norman Manley left your go foreign, so it come like when they pass cement company, then they make cement. So the cement just blow. So the blow with the cement just blow. It blow hard in your heart towards Jamaica. But remember, Yahweh born Yahweh live, so them can't run with it. Yahweh born Yahweh live, so them can't run with it. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, nah left ya. We are here with. Nah left ya. We breadfruit they on ya. Nah left ya. We have we mango they on ya. We nah left ya. What we are here on this so we nah left ya. So what's up over there so we nah left ya. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, we nah left ya. 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 Sweet, sweet Jamaica, nah left ya.
Jamaica pass rules and regulation with land bullying. You will be the first. Me already stamina ask you.
Stop whisper man, the people them want to hear you.
You're not good. You're not good. Me a see in my spirit, you're not blood clot good. Me not trouble you. And so same thing when me sit down in your car, boy you chat. Harassment that. And you don't know me? And you don't live a foreign? You make people come on your page and talk up things that you come and go on this program? No. Me not supposed to, you're not supposed to down a blood clot Jamaica and me down America and you are frustrate me. And you are bullying me. Not a bumble clot.
Marcia, hold on there. I show you how fruitful Jamaica is and my place where me there is. Hold on. Just give me a minute there. Not even a second from where me there sit down, Marcia. See it? Not even a second from where me there sit down. See there? See them there? Right in front of me. If I have another length of my hand, I can't touch them. You want one? Yeah, Marcia. Anyway, back to where we are, my people.
YouTube and Instagram and TikTok is very big. Go on over TikTok, there's a whole heap of things happen throughout the world. There's a whole heap of things that happen in the dancehall sector. There is so many contents in your country where are going right now.
Are you around down money? So are you for run all over me? Alright, right here, so. You understand? Right here, so me alright. You are run down money, go on trail for money. Me not run down money, me alright. Me cool. I don't know me can heat and pay my bills when month time. Me alright. Me not have a soul for run down money for you. Cause I come like a mine, you mine man. You never know say all kind of content about when you sit down on Dana name, you sit down on Chrissy name, you sit down on the same lady son name where you run toward there. You understand? You sit down on the Spice name, you sit down on the whole of the people them all over name you sit down on. Cora name, the whole of them. You never know say them time there. Content they all over your fellow people and stop bully people. So you see people fault, you see people business. But you're not seeing your business and you're not seeing your faults. You understand? You're spiritual to see other people things, but you're not spiritual to see what is coming at you. You understand? Oh, sit down for my aisle back and my people are turn, you know? Now go and turn for my aisle back.
Like over the fence. Eh? Why do you choose to pick on me like over the fence?
Ask yourself the same question. Why you pick on Cora? Why you pick on 99? Why you pick on Spice during our ordeal of our surgery? Why you pick on Lady Saw? Why you pick on Chrissy and our private life? Why you pick on all these people? Why you pick on Julie Mango? Why you pick on all these people? Remember the woman over our platform do her own thing. And you want to come tell the woman what to do. While when you over your platform cut your how much ras and cloth, them and all kind of thunder cloth. And your own supporters are asking you to calm down with that and ease off of that and done with that and you're not doing it. Who you're not black, you remove them comment. Who you're not this, you're not Tara, you're not Nara. But you left your platform where it's sulky and soddy like you. You understand? If you go over the woman platform, go and tell her what to do. But you want to come tell me why me pick on you? Why you pick on all those people? Come tell the public. Pick the beam out of your dirty, nasty eye, cockeye, where you have. You come like a hog around you, so you eye them there. Round you, so not in front of you, round you, so you hardly can look up. And as I say, from me born until now, me them say I can't look up in the sky. Or the honey animal that we can't look up in the sky. Because I'm here there, so probably if you look him for go so turn him head sideways. And it now go look if you see a human being like you. I do your I do for look up in the sky. I turn sideways. But on only your eye make you can't look up in the sky. Because on a shield behind the Almighty and do so much evil deeds a road. You understand? Only no wish nobody no good.
About that. What make you not black about your prime minister? What make you not black about the killing and the crime? Where you go on a yard and how you can't solve it?
The same thing I go in America. All kind of mass this and mass that I go in America. All kind of little pitney I walk in a church. All kind of little pitney I walk in a school, supermarket. Your former president do all kind of things. Why you never did a black about that? You understand? Why you give me ideas and the same ideas you give me in the land of Mary Maca where you live, your first world country, all these things are going on and you not blagging about it. You understand? So you can't come tell me something to do what you not do and you're in the same position to do it. How can I make you lead me? Eh? How can I make a blind woman lead me? Me a idiot, man? Move right in front of me, yeah, man. Move.
He or she, whatever you have. What make you not go find time? The time you sit down, what make you not carry a pitney out?
Where you say, why me not go find time help me pitney do my homework? My daughter just graduated yesterday Sunday from Arden High School. Arden High School. Check the Arden High School. It's a traditional high school. Education-wise, very good high school. My first daughter, my big daughter, graduated 2 years ago from Queens High School. And she graduated with 8 CXC subjects and 4 CAPE. What I say? 8 CXC subjects and 4 CAPE. I don't know if you know what is that. And she's on her way to United States of America, a college. Visa pick up on everything already. Just waiting on the time.
With the money we make by YouTube, you say you keep it in a bank. Why you not go penny? Why you not take out the pitney and drive it up to whole car? Go along a watch it. Go carry a pitney.
Me not have to carry pitney gun away. My 2 pitney are loved by them family. Especially, well, I just me and my sister there. So. But for your set of mother side of family, oh gosh. I want to tell you, give you a joke. Yesterday I don't go to no graduation. And she never missed me. She never missed me. Our grandmother was there. Our auntie was there. Our cousin was, 2 cousins was there. Our auntie husband was there. And she big enough to angle herself to go to a little friend and enjoy herself. You understand? So you know, come to me with that. It's unlike you when you live good with your family. God, you can't come on phone, come talk about your sisters, and nobody can see your sisters. You understand? We never hear nothing good said about your sister. We never see you put up one picture yet and say, okay, anniversary for your sister wedding or your sister birthday or something, and we'll keep a little setup. Your son picked the barn and it take you months before you could have go visit him because you and him never take tea. You understand? So when you come talk about take out, cars in the family. Not only car, cars in the family. You understand? So you don't have to worry about that part there. Worry about your life.
And you have a nerve come and talk about how my toe look like a man. You could have looked at my nice sexy toe them. We feel like a blood clot, dry up big gingerbread toe. And I talk about my toe, I compare my toe with your toe.
I want to look on the thumbnail and
look
comment in the comment section and reach a part of the video, yeah? Yeah, man, me know, man, me hit you, man, me hit you.
Because you have all person as a man.
Me know me hit your nerves, man, me show up all them something there, man. I want to look on the part of my people. You should talk about our nice, good up, sexy to them. People, we're going to reach a part of the video, yeah, and the video done. We're going to go back and look on the thumbnail because the thumbnail I got to have our foot. Or toe them. I want to go into the comment and tell me if them the toe there in the farm are sexy too.
You are watch my toe them?
Watch ya.
Watch ya. You watching my nice pretty toe them? You know sister is a pussy. You know sister woman you want on. Look on my toe them shape and look on.
Hey people, if you never watch a video yeah. Man, I go so and the pan. Watch my toe them. And the toe them can't. The foot come up, you know. But you see the foot, but you can't see the toe them in the video, you know. Because she can't afford to show it. But what she used to take a brave heart and go on like she can't show it. You see when she take down the foot, my people, it's like she want to lift up the foot again, you know. But see Marcia, yeah. Like Marcia said, no sir, true, the boy attacking, you know, I can't expose them to her. And she look. And she looking at the camera and she look down on the toe again. And she think hard about if you hold up back the foot again. Yeah, hold up back the foot. You don't go look on the video because I don't tell a lie because I don't need to tell a lie. You understand? I don't like say me come out here look cash up, dash up, fash up to tell lie and carry story to and content because I want to cash up and dash up. Me no need to tell lie. Don't want to say so I look down on her foot and I look up on the camera like she has to lift up the foot again. Because really and truly, you know, with a little dirty boy here, a little nasty boy and I'm dirty car, you know. Where I say I chew him attack, you know. Me told them no look good for chew, you know. No sir. Me told her how that boy I catch me told them. And when me did I do with that boy I catch me too? Yeah, that's how we are run through your head, Marcia. We know that. So you couldn't lift up back the foot them. People no go check the video. And look pan this so me I tell you about. No joke.
Your broad, ugly blood clot one them. We look like a bullfrog. Back. Look on them blood clot ugly toenail there.
People, when I go back, go look on the one and show me, they go compare my foot to that. I can't bother with that sitting there again. You understand? But I want to go back and look on the video when they do with my foot and fear foot. If anything on my foot will look like crab back. And my foot will look like crab back. Not your one, you're a woman, me a man.
Pretty. Eh? On you.
Me a talk about your toe, you're gone and your man toe. Me not admire your man, man. Me don't admire you.
You see my blood clot.
But how you behave and true, me go see it, me catch it, me just have to show the people them.
And too big.
You can't talk about them because we can't see them there. And me no even want to see or know about them there. Because me no want to lose my sight for see on your foot for see if you're something good on your foot or not. Because me go on your foot and go look, me could lose my sight. Because it might not be a pretty sight. So me not go that far for see on your foot or even want to know if it's good or it's bad or it's sad. Because I feel like it's all of the above. You understand? Except good. Okay.
Nice, sexy breasts. See them here. You don't have this? How you come and compare?
All you can do. Nice, sexy breast and a shake up. So, right up here, so, at top of your breast here, so, make your breast sexy when you shake it up. But me can't blame you still because you can't really flick it out on camera. But you doing this don't mean your breast nice and sexy. Right now your breasts are run down your belly. And no hard feelings to the woman them where they on the program. No hard feelings to whosoever they on the program on the breast. You understand? Because me tell you one time we attack, we address who we address. We're not addressing uno. We address the people that come with show off and body shaming. You have to fix them and make them understand. You understand? Because fear breasts are run down fear belly and she go talk about nice sexy breasts. Nice sexy breasts. Look at you. Everything for you sexy. What we cannot see. You understand? But all the way we can see, we see say it not sexy. Just like how your toe with your hide all along, never show your foot yet exposed. Yeah man, you never know your toe that exposed. With the old ginger toe, them like man toe. You come like some old man farmer down our country.
I'm not afraid to back out my blood clot breast them and show them big and nice and pretty in a Ross. How the bumble clot ever come?
Oh, you're gone from toe to breast.
Where you come from?
I know why you have no respect for me, man.
Where you
know
come from and compare me to
I
you.
could have never want somebody like you have no respect for me.
About age. How you look older. Go sit your blood clot down.
Because if me see you in person, me deal with you wickeder than what me I deal with you, yes sir. If me see you in person, me diss you wickeder than what me I diss you, yes sir. If you just thank God say YouTube have guideline. Because if me see you face to face, me diss you wickeder. So you don't know who you are talking to. Me don't want a friend from you. Me could have want a friend from somebody like you.
Go blame God. I make you into a man. Because my sister is a blood.
You talk about if you go blame God. So, you just realize how God make the world away? And make with all the different faults and how he make us? You just realize that? So all those times when you come out of body shame people, you never realize how God make us.
You can't walk in my shoes. Or have the experience in a life for me have. I eat the blood clot food, I drive in a car and go anywhere around the world. Move from you so you dirty, underprivileged, dirty pussy.
That's all you come and talk about. Where you eat, where you go, which hotel you go, and all kind. That's all you talk about. That is the fun part of life, Marcia. Where is the substance part of life? You choose fun part of life over the substance part of life. At some point in time, you know what's going to happen. You're going to come like a crash car. You have to choose substance in life before you choose the fun part of life, Marcia. All the way you do, me and Willie other people can do it. But we choose to do this first. Yeah. And have business carrying in money to roll over and turn over. Cruise can't stay. Resort can't stay. All of those things where you talk about can't stay. Me see you go grooving in the park last week. From last week you go grooving in the park. And you could have easily well buy a regular band, you know. But you claim say a big deal. You put yourself out of the way and spend $200 by a VIP band. And if I not like up to today, you could have on the band just to come prove say you did go in the park and a VIP because you say Dr. Love why you not see him there and want VIP you go and to him couldn't spend for him $200. But here still, you break the law. Which part you live and the people them charge you $300 you come a ball over it. You understand? When you break the law. You understand? But yet still, you go groove in the park, pay $200, you come on social media boast that up to now you have on the VIP band. When I go now, where I get them the band there? If it not tear off after I left the party because you know mind might carry away. By the morning, I wake up that pop off. I have nothing to prove to nobody. So I did go Sunfest the 6th day. Or I did go Dream Weekend. No. And that is what you are do. And this is what you are live for. To talk about where you do, where you go, where you eat and what you do. Where? And you know I'm not behind it. And I got end up at Arms House after.
Yeah, fire until my blood clot ready to go. When me ready. And when me a pussy clot 60, 70, 80 blood clot 80. When me ready.
You know, I reach yourself.
Me a fire. When me bumbo clot decide to go. At that time me go. Me run my blood clot show. Wanna know my pussy clot journey.
Anyway, my people. I just cut out some of the video, you know. But I don't want to see how them people are still. As I said, this video, somebody bring this attention to me, you know, what she say, you know. And I asked the person to send the video to me, but the person never responded. This morning when I find the video from last night, the person responded to me, say, I asked me, say them never there around and stuff, and if I find it, I tell them. But I have to come do a video. But when I wake up, I was so glad that the Tina video get released from YouTube. As I tell you, I said 3-4 days, it will release. It's just that the computer restrict the video, but I know after I go manual check, it will release. Because I'm not knowing the video. I try to do my best, you know, to say certain things. I say it won't get to one at a time, but you know. So I wake up and release, and I decide to alright, I'm gonna post that. Because I can't bother with that old slime sitting here, man. It's all germs, man. I use too much backlash Dettol on this here, and him now cleanse up. You understand me? I say somebody want a break, and that's why I really give him the break what day. Told she come and draw me out and sit there. A back to back she draw me out because the 2 video, the one that I do, the video for Friday. That video I must say do the same day too when I do that one you offer. So for sure it's a back to back she up on my name. So if me you can see me I eat this woman's nerves without any form of fabricated story. Me just talk it as it is. Me talk what me see. Me talk what them a do. Me talk what them a show up in a phone. Me nah come tell her say I red and I in a red. You understand? Me nah come tell her say her sheet nah sell and it a sell. Me I tell her as it is. Everything will unfold in the phone. Unlike them, we are come tell you things when I unfold. But as me say, if molestation will reach your son as well, them say a man molest him, not woman. And if that make him arrogant, no molestation of me molesting my child can't make me arrogant. Because me no need for that. As me tell you, say, me no sleep here, so. My daughter alone sleep here. Well comfortable more than you, Marcia. Can't. So maybe my daughter and I so much time rolling on my bed. She can roll right back to the next year and a drop off. Speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up. Please to watch the ads. Remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Hit that subscription button and give it a subscribe. I'm out. Thanks for watching.